This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, guys, whoever took Pega software, okay, and all the documents, please follow the same structure, okay. In the desktop, you can create one Pega folder. Inside that, please create some subfolders, okay. One is for the Pega software, one is for the Pega documents, one is for the Pega PPT, and one is for the Pega videos, and one more is Pega interview questions, and Pega use case means projects, and Pega resume preparation. So these many subfolders created inside the Pega folder, parent folder, and if you want, you can note it to Pega version 8.6. Inside, can you create these all the subfolders, and all the water I'm sending that you already. So download folder documents and software. Please keep it on that. I will tell you how to install Pega software tomorrow the class. Okay, please everyone join on the time. Please everyone on the time, and so then we won't waste the time. Please be in that and don't depend on the recording class also. So everybody should be on the class only, then only we can discuss more on that. Okay, this is one of I'm requesting you. And we have the Pega software. Please keep it. I'll tell you tomorrow how we can install everything, all the points. Okay, now that's one thing I want to tell you. Who are not received till, please get it fast and keep it. Tomorrow I'll explain you how to install Pega on your system. In my system, first I will show you that how to install. By seeing that, you can install it in your system also. Okay, that's one thing I want to tell you. Now, what discussed today also, we are still going to discuss about, sorry. Okay, today also, well, last classes, anyone, can you please explain that, what we discussed? Anyone, Radha, Nikita, Sridhar, Uday, Sandeep. What is last classes, please? Just we had only 3 classes. You have recording file also. You have Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I think I told you already. Please watch the videos and please all them get the information, right? Please unmute
Yes.
others, everyone. Radha, Shekhar, Nikita, Shekhar, and Uday, Sandeep, everyone, please. You don't want to say answer. Nikita, please admit here. Not a problem. I will help you. What we discussed last classes.
We will discuss last classes what is Pega training, Pega courses, and Pega career. What is Pega career? And discuss with us PR and PC and business management engineer and business process management.
Okay, good. We tried well. Good. So we discussed in last classes what is Pega and what is PRPC, what is BPM, what is BRE, why you need Pega means Pega futures. What is PRPC?
Pega rules
Pega
process command.
Yes, Pega rules process commander. It is a tool, right? It is a combination of BRE and BPM. BRE means business rule engine. Business rule engine. It is a tool. It is a base tool. And business rule engine. What is BPM? Business process management. It is used for to design, to make automation process, to make automation business process in our application. How? With the help of the PRPC. Then why you need Pega? We discussed, right?
Yes.
By using our Pega tool, we are getting more profit within the less time. We are giving quality product to the customer within the less time. We are giving good service to the customer. Then, apart from that, because Pega is a BPM tool, but apart from that Pega, there are industry number of tools are available. Those are APN, TIPCO, Salesforce, number of BPM tools are there. Number of BPM tools are available, but why is number one Pega? That is we are discussing. Three is common features for every BPM tool. Apart from that, what are the special features are available? Pega is an independent platform tool. Pega is a independent platform tool, mean that it will support any operating system, it will support any database. Pega tool will support to design any domain application also. So it will support any domain, is a banking, insurance, healthcare, automobile, government sector, telecom domain, everything. Pega will support to
Okay.
design any type of applications. Is a standalone application or desktop application, web application, mobile application, anything I'm ready for that. So every application will have three-tier structure. Just check with your friends. You know that you are regularly using applications. So you are using a presentation layer, but the presentation how it will work, that is called logic. That logic will be the presentation layer, business logic layer. So whatever enter the data, I need to store the feature purpose permanently. We have the database. So the three ports is very important for your for every application. Without any port, there is no application. So to design three ports in industry, number of languages will be there, but without using of any languages, I'll design. Yeah, say that please. Yeah, without any using of. So by using of 0% code, by using of 0% code, I'm going to designing of your core application. Hi Vivek, while late here.
Uh,
So sorry Vivek.
some issues going on at office itself.
Okay,
So,
fine. Vivek. Yeah, I'm just repeating last classes what we discussed. Okay, no. So
okay.
features. So by we are using 0% code to develop your entire whole application. How? We have Pega ready-made rules are available. Business rules are there inside the business rule engine or Pega product. By using of those standard business rules, I'm going to develop your full application on Pega platform. So that's why we can say it is a drag and drop design processing BPM tool. It is no coding, quick development. As I said, it is a three ports separately, individually. So we can do parallel development also. No impact any existing application, and it won't impact other developer changes also because it is a loosely coupled structure, everything separate. Then question, can we work within the same pod, presentation layer or business or data, any layer, multiple developers? Yes, that is also will take care. Otherwise, that is saying that Pega is will support multi-threading feature. Very important. Okay. Pega will support multi-threading. MT means multi-threading feature, means at a time number of users will work any Pega application. Otherwise, if you work only one person, other it won't allow. This is very difficult, right? We all are using at a time ICICI Bank application. We can do same functionality transaction. If he is only one person, it will be very difficult to use any bank, any application. So that's why. So multi-threading, multitask, it will be handled. So using of this, I can using of parallel development, I can finish your application development within the very short time. Pega tool will support integration feature. It's a very important feature. It's a very important feature. How you can connect any external application that should be developed by any software industry. You know that without connecting any external application, there is no applications. You already regularly, every day you are seeing all the applications. All social services applications, everything will be connecting. LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever, Facebook, Gmail, all banking, insurance, healthcare, Amazon, Flipkart, number of applications will be connecting. So why are connecting to transfer services between the applications? Services. How to get the service from other applications? How to provide service to the other applications? Either sending, getting. So one of the great feature, industry integration feature, for that we have web services, SOAP and REST. But if coming to Pega, without using of single percentage custom code also, it is just doing of small configuration. Just doing of small configuration. I can connect any external application automatically that should be developed by any software. How? For that also we have Pega ready-made. Ready means is available already. That is meaning that. How you have ready-made dresses. So the same, it is already. Dresses are available in the shop for you. Just go and whatever you like it, purchase it and come to home and you can wear immediately. No delay. You're getting quality, same satisfaction. So why should I go for manual process? Take the pieces and go and give the mission. Everything is all manual process. I don't want. You need to wait for the time first of all. He will say that please wait maybe at least 10 days, 20 days. The same thing we're getting right now ready-made in the market. I should go for there. Why should you come to your place? So we have ready-made integration rules are available. Using of that, I can do that easily. Integration requirement. Okay. After that, I told you that if you have any issues in your application level, how we can find out. Generally by you have to find out, but for that Pega tool is saying that I'm going to help you to find the issues easily in the Pega application. How? We have inbuilt debugging tools are available. There are tracer, clipboard, performance analyzer, live UI tool. Very important question. They will ask you intro point of a level. Tracer tool, clipboard tool, performance analyzer, live UI tool. The tracer is an inbuilt debugging tool. It is used for to trace the issues in the business logic layer only. If you are facing issues only presentation layer, for that we have the live view tool will help you to find the issues. But solution you need to provide, no doubt on that. The same thing database layer. Is there any issues how to find out? You can use performance analyzer tool. What about clipboard? Is very famous tool. It's very great tool in the Pega product. It's like a session. It is used for to store the data temporarily inside the business logic layer. Where we have your right now, IPL matches started. Everybody is watching. So same is public data. There is no confidential. Whatever happening score is reusable. So when the changes will happen, bring the data from clipboard. Others until changes, no need to go for database. He will bring to from the clipboard. Be the shortcut, distance. Otherwise, every time going long distance, getting response, some time it will take. Why should I waste your time? Get it right? No, everywhere where we are wasting the time, that is very important. Based on time, we are getting delay response. So please. So when you are designing any application, you see that where you are wasting your time. So that we have to provide the best solution, best design approach. By using of clipboard, I can improve your application performance. How? For avoiding of hitting database for many times, is there any reusable data, common data for all the public? It's no option. I have to go in database. You should go. Is a common data, same data. Why should I hitting off every time database server going to every time database? I can use this option in the business logic layer. I can keep it because presentation no secure. Only business logic we have the secure because next option database already is there permanently. I want is to save the time, to save the some distance, everything right. We can go to use clipboard. Then this is about performance tool, how to check your application performance. There are two types of construction quality and execution quality. So for checking of application design quality, I can use one of the great inbuilt tool is called guardrail tool. If you write any some manual coding, it is a problem for you. Guardrail tool will say that why you denied not following Pega policy. Why should I write the code here? That's very important. Guardrail tool is used for to check application design quality. Okay, to check application design quality. So there is score will be there out of 100. You need to get 95. Below 95, they won't allow you to your application to move the next level applications. You know that we are working the dev system, but there are number of environment dev systems are there. Number of other systems are available. Testing, UAT, production live application. Testing is for testing purpose of your application. UAT means user acceptance. Before sending to live, I want to test one more time by users. Once it's done, there isn't any issue, then they'll send to the production application. Is a live application where they can use end user, real application. Okay, good. But I want check your application performance, execution performance quality, how the functions are executing, how much time is taking. So quality construction quality, development quality, design quality good, definitely execution quality also good, no doubt on that. For checking purpose, we have performance analyzer tool will be there. Using of those tools, I'm going to check the application performance quality. Is there any issues? Sridhar, yes? You want to say something? Sridhar, please mute. Yeah, thank you. Alerts tool is there, one of the famous tools. Your performance analyzer find the any performance issues. Alerts tool will be it should be alert and sending the notification to the whoever required. Based on the business requirement, we can decide who want this. We need to whom we have to send this performance issues, managers, leads, those peoples. So this is about inbuilt tools are there. Then one more great feature, reports. Pega will create the reports, generate the reports automatically. For that, one of the great tool is available, report definition rule. I given the example also, scenario also. Monthly you are getting bank statements, pay slip, only month end. Is there any weekly level reports we are getting, or a daily basis? This kind of requirement, how we can achieve easily by using of Pega tool. We have one of the great rule is available, not tool, rule. That is report definition rule. By using of report definition rule, I can generate the reports automatically to whoever want. Again, we discuss one more great feature, DCO, directly capturing business object. There we can discuss Pega SDLC. You remember or not? What are the steps we saw that? Inception, elaboration, construction, and transition. There's 4 stages will be there. Okay. There are 4 stages are available. Inception, elaboration, construction, transition. Inception is clients, BA, business architect people, managers. Elaboration, technical people, manager, administrator, means lead system architect, LSA people. And construction is our stage where we can construct, develop application by using of CSA, CSSA, CLSA. Junior developers, senior developers, lead system architect. Please, everything you should know that. What are the stages? Pega SDLC software development life cycle. How to develop end-to-end application, end-to-end process. How many stages will be there? In each stage, what are the roles are available? Then transition, testing and deployment will be taken by the Pega administration and Pega testers. So Pega project, they will follow agile methodology to develop quick response purpose. They have the formula agile methodology to handle project management activities. They can use agile methodology. So now we are in this stage. So there is DCO, directly capturing object. Object is nothing but it is a business requirement. There are 4 tools are there. Pega tool will follow one of the great features, DCO. It is capturing business requirement, converting as a Pega application. Further, there are 4 inbuilt tools are there. Pega application profiler, application documentation, new application wizard, project estimation. These all 4 will be taken by the elaboration stage, will be senior people, project managers, and lead system architect people, LSA. What are the certifications are available? Pega certifications. What are that, please? Everything you have known that CSSA, yes, yeah, CLSA, part 1,
Part 2.
comma, part 2. Yeah, I think Sridhar knows that well about this. Did you get part two try? Did you try it? As CLSA people, did you get the resource in the industry? Sridhar, you know that you are working people, right, in this scenario.
Yes, yes,
Did you
yes.
try any time CLSA people to get the industry? It's very difficult for you.
Yes.
This is itself your difficult. What about this? I told you that who have CLSA part two industry, they will get more demand people, they will get what you want. Good packages, good positions, good on-site opportunities, everything. But this is
In
at
mana
least you need in, yeah.
in manager level also.
Manager role is not required here.
Okay.
Manager role is enough, only CSSA enough. Okay.
Okay.
When
Okay.
CSSA is enough, CSA is enough for the manager also. He's just not a technical, right? He's just a handling of project management activities. Who have
Mm.
technical means solution architect. If you have business requirement, that business requirement, how I have to design by using a Pega tool, I have to provide design documents, technical document to you, developers, to the CSSA, CSSA. By seeing that document, they will start the development. Got it? What they're doing work here? We have BA is provided business requirement to the LSA people. LSA people will provide technical whether we can do or not by using a Pega tool. If you do that, what are the rules I have to use technically? How much time it will take? How many resources are required? These all the things will be taken by the LSA people. Now you got it? What he can do work? Then once he is prepared technical document, he will share to the your CSA, CSSA people. By seeing the document, they will start the development. Until that, they won't start any development. It's complete depending on the LSA persons. Okay, they are the our role, our developer role. Certifications. There are number of other certifications as there. CPDC. If you want, you can use it. CPDC. Certified Pega Decision Consultant. CPRS. Certified Pega Robotic System Architect. System Architect. You can say the CP or CRSA. Certified Pega Robotic System Architect. We have different. This robotic level if you want to go after that. CP decision comes, but the main is for you. This is the main base. If you know things, then you can do it easily. Then you want to go for decision, these other qualifications, other portfolios. This is the main portfolio for you. Okay, please note it. So by using of how they can create the application automatically, industry there are inside the Pega tool we have 4 tools. Pega application profiler, application document, new application wizard, project estimation. This will be used by the project manager to provide the estimation of your project for your requirement. New application wizard will create the new application automatically by Pega tool. We need to provide the inputs to the Pega tool. When you provide the inputs, Pega tool will create automatically a base application, the Pega platform, the base template. When you want to construct the house, first you need to find the on the earth particular land space. Once you buy that, then first you'll construct the base construction, right? Then only we can do the all makeups. Without base construction, can you start directly or makeup is not possible. Once you please construct the base construction, after that you can decide, you can construct different according to your whatever you have rooms is required. Kitchen room, guard room, hall, different bedrooms, bathrooms, everything should be there. Then after the once the done that construction, then you can do makeup. So to create the base application, we can use this tool. Application documentation. What this is one of the great tool used to design, to generate design documents automatically. How you develop the application, I want to know the document, because if you left the company from the project, others will join, so they won't understand what you did. If you have the document, they will understand quickly, otherwise how they can understand? Application profiler, I told you that it is received in inputs. Whatever you providing inputs, it will be receiving, and informed to application wizard, it will be converting as application. That application, how, what are the rules they used to develop? They will generate documentation. This is about DCO. Inbuilt tools are there. That is elaboration stage. DCOs will be involved elaboration stage. But every time you want to create new application, right? When you start from scratch, there is no application. Then every time is existing application. That time is not required to create every time new application. Okay. Pega tool, one more great. Security is very important. If you have, without security, there is no application. Industry itself, at least we have basic security. Am I correct? So basic security, username and password. Gmail also is there. I can open and see that as a guest what is the, but I want to know full detailed information, detailed features. How we can get it? We need a member. We need to create the account inside the Gmail application, then log in and go for insert. Then you can see that all the features. So ICICI Bank, security is important. So basic security, once you log in with your credentials, then inside that, when you do transaction, it will ask you OTP number, everything. That is advanced security or custom security. So Pega will provide more security for application level and application source level. Mean that you developed your application, but for what you develop technical things, you're not giving security. I can see, I can copy. That is the case. Pega product code I can copy, I can put different name. Instead of Pega, I can put some different name, Giga, something better, right? So everything what you developed code also need to provide security. Then nobody will see your code, then it will be full security level. So Pega will provide more security for the application level, application source level. It will support any type of security mechanism. Is a basic security, custom security, and SSO, single sign-on security also. What do you mean that? If you log in through the Gmail, using of Gmail credential, I can log in Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, everything. Am I correct? What do you mean? So log in single time. So you're giving a single time your credentials, but I'm logging multiple application there. I can save the time. So one login, opening multiple applications. That is called SSO, single sign-on mechanism. Next, 14th. There is one more great feature, agent feature. What do you mean that? Agent will be, I think you are doing bank transactions. The bank transactions will happen only daily 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I'm just telling on examples. After 6 p.m. we can do bank transactions, but the target person will get the money next day after 9 a.m. I'm just telling to my application, is inside one person is there, please boss, your process do the only in this period only. With the remaining period, don't do that. You just better go for sleeping mode. I'm going to give the rest for you. Only this time only have to wake up. That's one scenario. The second scenario, your people like your friends are working some night shift people. They will say that we are midnight, we are running some we are running some process. How you know, right? If you do any some changes in your application, it won't be reflected immediately. Next day it will changes will happen. Why? Because every midnight some process are running by the humans or by the system automatically. So instead of same work repeating, boring, so we are wasting your time, human work. For avoiding this, I can do what I have to do. I can make it automation by the system will take a responsibility, not by you. This kind of requirement without writing of single percentage customer code also. For that also they introduced one of the great tools that's called agent rule. Using of agent rule, I can run any process in a requirement. I want to run any process, any functionality at a particular schedule time without thinking blindly. You can go for we have the agent rules. Okay. Next, there's one more great decision rules. So you know that every business, every application will have business conditions. Without condition, there is no application. For example, if you want to apply credit card, account number is required. Debit card, account number is conditions. How you define the condition? The generally your application level, we should use some if condition, else condition, whatever. But without using of any custom code, I can easily construct any business condition. For that, there is one of the great rule is available, decision rules. By using of decision rules, I can define any simple, medium, complex business condition by using of Pega tool without using of single percentage custom code also. Next, till now you are talking only about development. Once the development is over, I need right now we are the dev studio. Okay. Now, first of all, once the development is completed, I need check the errors will be there or not in our application. What I can do, I need build the code. I need compile the code. I'm not executing. I'm just building. What I did, designing. I'm just building. Is there any errors? I want check out. Then once there is an errors, then I need to deploy your application to the server. So generally we can do manually, but if you're coming to Pega tool will take care automatically. Both your actions will happen within the milliseconds. The Pega tool will have very high execution speed. The execution speed means automatically build and deployment will happen. I'll show that Pega tool will have once you develop the application. I want to check is there any errors, we need to build it. No errors, immediately I need to deploy your application to the server. The both actions will happen within the millisecond, not seconds. I'm telling within the milliseconds will finish. That's why we said Pega tool will have very high execution speed. Then deployment, very important. There are Pega tool will support manual deployment and automation deployment. Now you know that industry will hearing many times auto DevOps, AWS, Azure. Are you hearing right these words? DevOps. So in previous days we are I'm the working the dev system. When you want to move the code dev system to testing your system, because why you are moving to testing system? So by testers will be developed test your application what you developed, whether is there any problems or not. I need to test for every functionality by the testers. So then I need to move your application to the testing systems, because your systems right now this application is available testing system log, there is no application, we need to move it. How can you move it? That is called deployment. I need to take your application and put in the testing system. So that is called deployment. That concept you can call deployment. Previously, once your application is done that, what I can do, I can take your application, put in some share folder. From the share folder, testing environment people will take care and put it to testing server. These all things will take care with the Pega administration people, not testers and developers. Deployment will take care by the Pega administration because server maintenance will be taken care by the Pega administration only. Developers only development, testers only testing application, and deployment concept will take care by the Pega administrator. What are the response will take care question. BA is only for getting of requirement. Manager estimation of the projects and handling of the project. How every day you have to watch it, its status, everything you need to communicate to the clients. And LSA people will take care about design documents and solution document and estimation. Developers, you know what they can do that. Now nowadays we are wasting, right? Repeat your same repeating work, taking file putting, putting into the target system, wasting of a time and boring work. So in this place, can we do automation by instead of by done by the humans? We can do the automation way by the system. That's why industry they're using DevOps option. DevOps. Check it if you want. There are number of tools are available. Third-party tool, Jenkins, Docker, everything. By even Pega tool will support DevOps tool also. But without using of your third-party tool, Pega will have inbuilt feature. By using repository rule, I can do automation deployment into target system. See that? It will support anything, no doubt on that. But I have to make it automation way only. For deployment system, there are two types will be there. Either nowadays, in previous days, we have that on-premise environment or client missions, client systems or own systems, and now cloud option is there. Now cloud systems. What do you mean that? In previous days, my application I'm handling with my in my systems actually, but there are like lot of risk, right? Handling of if there any problem, everything, right? I have to take everything application maintenance. But nowadays, people are like where we can catch the business. What I can do? So they find one of the way using of cloud option. What is they saying that I will take your application maintenance. You can pay the money rent monthly. So what he is thinking now. So what are you wasting of your time completely spending time to maintenance your application? The same time I can put to for my business purpose to get more profit to establish my business in the worldwide. That is good. I can pay the money to third party people. They will maintain it. They will take care my application maintenance. That is concept you can call cloud systems. Whatever we have AWS cloud, Google cloud, the third party cloud, even we have Pega cloud also. But Pega tool will support any type of environment. There is no any specific. You understand what is difference? What is the cloud? Cloud will contain number of applications. There is a third party system. So all the application will be made take away. So they will pay the money monthly billing to the cloud system people. They will handle it. So these people will take care only your application maintenance. Your own people will take care about business functionality. Now, 19 last future, I'll tell you. Pega tool is a standard framework, right? Is a tool. On top of that, I'm going to developing your application. So inside the Pega tool, we have ready-made rules. So I can reusing that. Pega tool is came for all the industry purpose. Now Pega step is again went one more advanced step in the domain level. Each domain, what is the common requirement? So banking domain, insurance domain, banking domain, there are number of applications. ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, Andhra Bank, different banks will be there. In all the banks, what are the common functionality? I kept it ready-made code for that also. What are the new things? They will develop it on top of the my application. So Pega tool will made it ready, standard frameworks, and it will support even customized frameworks also. So, but it is licensed product. It is a licensed. So instead of a client is saying that why should we invest again? Can we create our customized framework? Yes, we can do that also. So because of these features, I choose an Pega tool to develop my application. If you tell these all the features clearly, they won't ask you, they will silent. Any questions, they will be silent. That's it, because you given completely full course content, each topic, each feature I'm going to show, taking 3 days for the theoretical and practically. Almost 80% practical and theoretical is very less for me. So how you, I'm just saying that also always for developing of these things, we have ready-made rules, What are the rules are there? I'll tell you tomorrow. Always I'm telling that whatever I'm developing purpose, I have ready-made rules, ready-made no coding. What are the rules are there? There are total 8 types of rules. If you know only total 16 topics, as theoretically practical, you are Pega expert. That's it, over. What are the topics? Tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow what are the rules will be there, agenda, and I can show you that how to install Pega software also, how they build Pega software also. Please, who are still not getting, please take it, and who are still, you already got it, please download and keep it ready in your system. I will show you that how to install Pega software tomorrow in your system. Okay, clear? Right, tomorrow this is agenda, and please see that even I sent you Pega course content, we need to follow the same course content also every day daily. Yes, do you have any question from anyone? And one more, please requesting you, everybody please join on time. We can save the time, please. Okay.
Madhav, you said starting we can create the folders, but I can't understand.
No, whatever I'm sending the documents, please create one Pega folder on top of the Pega here in desktop. Okay. So inside the
Okay.
once you create it, and inside the Pega parent folder, please create some subfolders for storing of all the documents separately.
Okay.
Pega software purpose, Pega recording classes purpose,
Okay.
Pega documents, Pega PPT, resume, interview questions. These are all the purpose of. Don't keep everything within the single folder. You'll get a lot of confused. Please maintain the separate for proper organization, proper maintenance. That is I told you, Sridhar.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Can ask one question, Madhav. So, if it is possible, kindly
Your voice is breaking.
you will make a question. So, if we have one group, who will have attend the? Just wait a second. Just I'm saying, if it is possible, kindly you will make a one group in WhatsApp group. Like because of tomorrow onwards, you will start a like practical class. So if there is have any
That
doubt,
will talk
we
to you
will see
later. I'll talk to you
so
later.
recording
No,
also. Then
Sridhar,
we will
I'll talk
confirm.
to you later about that. I'll talk to you later. Okay, na? I'll talk to you about that. Okay, now is essential only, right? We'll talk to you later that. Okay, Sridhar, your voice clear?
Okay, madam.
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
talk to you
madam.
later.
Thank you.
Okay, bye guys. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye.